Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to a beautiful day in Houston, Texas. It is amazing today. I just love this weather. I am so looking forward to moving to California. It is just motivation when I work in this type of weather. To think that it's like this, I would say like, I don't know what, 80% of the year, amazing. But today, I'm finally going to do it. I'm going to install the Fujitsubo exhaust. I did want to do a little pre-work on the GR Corolla before you guys saw it. I went ahead and already put it up on ramps and stands, and I removed the original exhaust already. For those of you guys that are looking to do this job, a muffler exhaust hanger remover, this thing is amazing. This works so well. I cannot believe how awesome it is. This red piece, if you guys have parent engine mounts, this actually was it came with it. This little stud cover thing, so I went ahead and just took care of that and put that on there. It works great. Here is the Fujitsubo exhaust. I did want to talk about a little bit about it. This muffler, it is about the same size as the original muffler. Don't really have too much to say about that, but this resonator, it is huge compared to the GR Corolla version. I will put up a picture just to show you. So definitely, I'm a little disappointed. It's probably going to be a little bit quiet when I am, driving around with it, but that's okay. It looks great. The tips on this are actually titanium, so you do have to be careful when you wash them. Probably just hand wash them, actually with my bare hands when I am installing it. But yeah, the hardest thing to remove actually was the the valve canceller. I couldn't figure out how to get it out, so I did have to remove the valve body before before I was able to take it out. Just for you guys wondering for reference, this right here is the jack point, the rear jack point for this car. I didn't use it. I actually just backed up my car. But for those of you that have GR Corollas wondering where the rear jack point is, that's it right there. It's kind of a strange piece, but I guess it's the only really way to really access it with the exhaust, kind of sticking out. But if you look, this is the rear sway bar. It actually looks like a very easy modification. So if you guys are doing your rear sway bar, if you have enough time, if you're doing the exhaust, you might as well do the rear sway bar too, just because it's kind of really easy to access, to be honest with you. I do have a rear sway bar, a Cusco, but unfortunately I did not think about replacing it today, but I should have. It actually looks like a pretty easy fix. To be honest, it looked like it was doable anyways with the exhaust in, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get everything set, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. All right, guys, well, we are done. It's actually the next day. I don't know why my camera just ran out of battery. But here is the Fujitsubo exhaust. Sorry, I got the charger wire out of the way, in the way. It's not exactly centered. I think it's pointed a little this way, about 1/4 of an inch. I know it can be fixed. I would just have to recenter it and then have someone help me tighten it. To be honest, it doesn't really make that big of a deal to me. I think I'll just get used to it. But I really like the look. It's got these titanium tips, really nice. I don't know if you can see right here, there's a Grow Motorsports logo. And then kind of hidden up here, let's see if I can get it. Let me turn the light, is the Fujitsubo logo as well. You can kind of see it. I did clean the tips with thinner. I did already drive the car. The exhaust is about what I expected. But I'll go ahead and do a cold start for you guys because I actually have to change the oil. We are coming up already on the oil change for this car. I think I've only put maybe 900 miles in the oil. Not a big deal. Gonna go ahead and change it. I already got the crush washer and the filter from Toyota already, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. Oh, by the way, the GS. I am actually shopping for wheels. I am looking specifically at the HRE flow forms. This wheel is absolutely gorgeous, but at 2,000, I think it's like $2,200 a pop now, $2,250 from the quote I got from HRE to remake these wheels if I do end up having to get a new set or a new wheel. So I think I'm just gonna, for now, switch them out to a cheaper flow form. And if I like the flow forms, I'd probably put the HREs up for sale. I mean, these are 10-year-old sets of wheels, so I'm going to be probably asking for, I don't know, something pretty big. I would say $6,500, $7,000 on eBay. If you are interested in these wheels, shoot me a PM on Instagram or whatever. Maybe we can kind of just do a pre-agreement if I do decide to sell the wheels. It's going to be a little bit down the line. I haven't been able to lock down a set yet for my car. But yeah, I thought I'd just let you guys know. I love these wheels. They're gorgeous, but man, they're just too expensive for the car. So I wouldn't even mind keeping them. They're so beautiful. I love them. But anyways, here is the GR again with the Fujitsubo. Let me go ahead and do a cold start for you guys, and then see what you guys think. Okay guys, well, I am done with the Fujitsubo exhaust. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips. In person, it is only a little bit louder than stock, but since it doesn't have the valve, it basically sounds like a stock exhaust without the valve throughout the entire RPM range. So it does sound good on the highway when you do take it out. It looks stunning. I mean, it really has. I mean, I kind of wish I kind of wish Toyota just made the car with a dual exit exhaust instead of the 3 exhaust, but it is what it is. Luckily, they do offer aftermarket, specifically Grow Motorsports and Fujitsubo, which is awesome. I feel like this exhaust is a perfect match for this car with this color scheme, and I look forward to completing the body kit with the Grow Motorsports body kit. And honestly, I would like to get another GR Corolla. I'm kind of waiting to see how everything pans out. I would not get a top model. I would probably just get the base model because it looks like the base models are coming with more stuff now. The price, of course, is going up a little bit. But if I did get another GR Corolla, I would definitely do like an AWE touring exhaust. I like to have a loud car as a daily driver. But this car, it looks nice. You want to make it look good, and I guess not having it very loud is kind of fitting. It's a more mature type of, I would say, style, which is cool. Now the WRX, that thing is not, it's not that loud either, but it certainly sounds louder than the GR Corolla. But yeah, definitely don't regret getting this exhaust. It is very cool exhaust. It's not that loud, which kind of sucks, but it does fit the look, I believe, of the car. As a more mature type of OEM plus look, which is cool. Anyways, gonna do the oil change. Got the usual suspects. This time I am gonna do the air filter. I don't know if it's necessary. I only have 1,849 miles on the car. I think I drove 900 on the new oil. But yes, I am definitely going to change the oil filter, the drain plug gaskets there, and then here's the 0W20. A big change from the RCF. RCF took almost 10 gallons. This is barely almost 5, which is half. This only has like half a coordinate, so I'm just going to use this up and then pour 4 from here. But nothing too crazy. Definitely would probably be a faster, I guess, change out, I hope. Hopefully the air box does not look difficult to change out, the air filter compared to the RCF. So we'll see what happens with that. And I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm going to go ahead and do the oil change. And thanks for watching the video, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, well, I did finish. There is the GR Corolla. You can't see it. It's too dark. But yeah, I did finish everything. Here is the leftover oil. Look how much less stuff I have to deal with the GR Corolla. It's such a smaller engine. But interesting, the filter is red. Looks pretty cool. Obviously, it's very clean, but like I said, it doesn't hurt. I think these cost like 12, 13 bucks online, so I just got a whole bunch of them. Something I did want to mention, though, is this is the current oil change. That was the gasket that I removed. If you take a look at it, it is a completely different color than the original gasket, which is this one right here. Another thing I wanted to point out, if you can take a look, is how, let me adjust right here, how thin I believe the bottom one is. I mean, look at that. That is the one that I bought from Toyota, the one on bottom, this one right here. Look at that difference. I mean, I don't understand. So I did look at the So this is the one that I changed out. I put that one in. I don't know if you guys remember if it was a brighter blue. But the ones that I got this time were actually this one right here. It was a nice dark blue. It looks exactly like this, and it's nice and thick. So that's the one that I put on the GR Corolla. But I'm not sure why. How did I don't understand how Toyota gave me this gasket. It looks like some off cheapo brand. I don't know. But anyways, it didn't give me any trouble. It did its job, you know, I suppose. It was, once again, this thing was stuck to the oil pan, just like this one. So I had trouble getting it off. But definitely this one, it just looks like a much inferior product to this one right here. So I don't know. Anyways, you know, I'm glad that I got everything done. I really enjoy that exhaust, so I'm going to drive the car around for just a little bit more. Of course, I'm going to check the oil levels, make sure that I don't need to add any oil. And other than that, I guess that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys have a great week and wonderful new year. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.